This is the first. We're going into an Ikea.
Jobless.
Ikea. Jobless. Papa bless. Never been to an Ikea before. Not even in Puerto Rico.
Papa bless? You don't watch it.
She can say Papa bless.
I can say it.
I told her about it.
We just gotta try this food, you know? Try this Ikea meatball food.
I don't want to take one.
What?
Sorry.
Tastes like meatball. Like regular meatball.
Yeah,
You should put some in the jam.
it's good. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yep.
What do you think about it? Yeah, I never had a fake kitchen. I had a fake house.
McDonald's cash register and like a Barbie supermarket register, but
Cute.
this whole situation,
Coco's college though.
yeah, it just for
Man.
some reason gives me a college vibe.
Looks speaking.
Yes, that's exactly what I mean. No sarcasm.
These are cute.
Yeah, there's a lot of cute stuff. This is a little cartoony. Green bathroom.
This is cute. Cute little wardrobe, walk-in closet kind of thing.
The closet is walking, dude.
The closet is walking. Very nice. Some clothes, whoever, I don't know whose clothes that is. Donated. Oh, a bed. Cute. All the beds.
The clock is in the Sims too, because there's an IKEA collection.
Seriously, that's one of the wall?
IKEA collection. Look at the
Why
window.
is it looking at the
Looks
lamp?
pretty
I
good.
always put all the IKEA furniture in my house in the Sims.
Pretty.
Really cute. I don't know, in like a weird way.
Oh, we got the baby stuff.
Oh, definitely. I knew it. It was like my parents' bedroom.
Yeah. Cute, but no kids, thanks.
Parents' bedroom. Cute.
This kitchen is great. Looks straight out of Food Network, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look, the mug version of Sandra's plates.
Those are adorable.
Oh, look, silicone cupcake things. Very
The family were all sitting down.
Looking at
Kitchen, what do you
kitchens
want?
that we're not gonna buy. Pretty funny. It's so nice and adorable.
Can I sit here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can test out the couch.
Oh yeah, it's good shit.
Does your back hurt?
Not anymore.
This is so nice.
Elephant that went up in
Very cute. This makes me excited to buy furniture in the future.
Yeah, dude, I love furniture.
Yeah.
I sound stupid.
I love vagina. Very nice, cute room. I would have this. It's so adorable. And very Swedish looking.
small.
Yeah, it's pretty small. I like these giant green chairs.
Ooh. Pretty. It reminds me of like the 60s or something.
Yeah, but that is too. What is that erotic photo of a
What the
couch?
fuck?
I don't know if I like
That
that.
ain't right.
That's so weird.
It looks like a butt.
No, it's
This
a frickin',
IKEA is huge.
frickin', no.
Nice. This reminds
Or
me
maybe,
of
oh, yeah.
the cottage. The summer cottage that you got.
Oh, Qatar, yeah.
Cottage.
Nice, I like the mirror.
Look, the fire.
Oh, into a house.
It's like a dorm room.
Whoa.
Dude, they just left it unlocked. It's crazy.
Oh,
They
falling
left it
mirror
unlocked.
for the OOTD.
OOTD.
Damn, we can have
You
some
gotta
intense
have that
Kama Sutra
for the-
on this thing. Look at that.
Wow.
And then here, hey guys, I'm gonna show you my makeup routine morning and night.
Everything's wow. This room is so cute.
Oh, cute.
I wish I was a kid again. It's adorable.
Very cute colors.
And the kitchen.
What is this for? Quirky.
Yeah, it's quirky.
Oh look! Let's see how tall we are.
Children. Wow, look at this wall. Wow.
How tall am I?
Like 158.
No.
Yeah, like 158 or 159.
Okay, you go.
158, yeah.
Let's see how tall you are.
Let's do this.
Yeah, 158 without the front.
I got the shoes on.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, the fro. Look at the fro.
We're the same height.
Yeah. Same height. I love this wall, this back. Wow. You got some food
want-
here.
Super cheap chocolate, 3 for 20.
Whoa.
Oh, maybe it tastes like those balls.
Bowls. You can do your
yeah.
furniture shopping and your grocery shopping all in one. Yeah.
Your very important candy shopping.
Oh, candy shopping as well. Wow.